you probably know, as we all know, that Zoho CRM is one of the most popular and most used CRM in the world. So that's why we actually picked it from others and decided to have integration with them. And what it helps with, it actually can automate all your enterprise printing needs, whether it's direct mailing, or it can be sending greeting cards for holidays, or for example, it can be supplying the marketing materials for your branches. It can be all automated by integrating with Cloudprinter and then just simply creating a print product. How to do that, I will show from the very beginning as it was before. So we just select Zoho CRM from our website. We hit activate now, and it takes us to their site. Personally, I have it already installed. So now it will show that the extension is already installed, but instead of that, or one step before that, there was just a simple button. Install it, I installed it, and that's how it looks like after that. So this is the dashboard. And the next step to have your printing needs automated, you just need to create a product. So for that, you just hit this plus, then choose the product. Then you have to add the details, your name, your product, then product name. Then you have to, among the other vendors, you have to choose Cloudprinter. And basically that's the all information you need, or this is optional. So what we do then, we just save it, and that's how we have our printing product created. Then to set it up, we hit this button to set up Cloudprinter product, and that's actually how the system knows that this is a order that should be printed by us. We select business card. So let's talk business, and I'm choosing business card all the time. Then again, I will guide you quickly through the whole process, which is basically very simple according to all your needs. The quantity, and the only thing is that you cannot upload the file here, but you can use URL. For example, I'm using mine from Dropbox, and you just save it.
And that's how it's done.
Yeah, actually that's, yeah, and again, you didn't see it, but here, after you hit the save, you see you have this sign that successfully saved, and this is that means that your product, your printed product, is already set, and to have it printed, you just need to hit few more buttons whenever you need. But this product and this template is already in the system, so every single time you need it, you just do that within a few clicks.